Korea is famous for not just strong germ treatments, but also result-driven aesthetic skincare treatments that are non-invasive. And I have some exciting news.
What if I told you that you can get a 13-step treatment curated in collaboration with Comme Aesthetics professional esthetician and myself, EuniUnni? Remember, your Unni is also a certified Korean esthetician. This treatment is now available for everyone and anyone looking to get a glow-up facial.
Let me introduce you to EuniUnni's Glow EXO Repair Treatment at Comme Aesthetic Spa in Sinsa that includes Amber Section Lemon Shake. Let me walk you through each step. Every session starts with a one-on-one consultation and professional skin analysis with the translator in English. Based on your results, you will be offered personalized oliveyoung product recommendation. This is so fun. You will know exactly what works for your skin, and make sure to go shopping at oliveyoung with these recommendations. And oh yes, not only will you be able to experience Amber Section Lemon Shake in one of the 13 steps of your treatment, but you will be gifted with one to take home with you. Now, the treatment will begin with cleansing and deep cleansing step using gentle PHA exfoliation to remove dead skin cells without irritation. And after this step, they will also help to remove any acne, whiteheads, unwanted bumps that needs to be removed. Followed up by no scaling, which we will be using a device to clear excessive sebum and blackheads, sebaceous filaments, and any unwanted leftover dead skin cells. Next comes the regenerating laser. This step preps the skin, boosts absorption, and helps even out skin tone, so everything applied after works so much better. Then we're gonna go in with high concentration exosome booster. This is a next generation anti-aging treatment with 3 to 5 times higher absorption than regular skincare. Think deeper repair, faster recovery, and that healthy, energized skin glow. An air booster will be followed to gently push all those active ingredients deeper into the skin while instantly cooling and soothing. It feels refreshing and calming at the same time. And then this is one of the best parts, but the scalp scaling. You guys, this feels so good. It removes buildups, refreshes the scalp, and honestly feels like your head can finally breathe. And the best part is that it doesn't get greasy, it dries up so you can actually go on with your day. Next, we move into calming LED with near infrared light. This step helps to minimize heat-induced skin aging while stabilizing and calming stressed skin cells, so your skin stays balanced and comfortable throughout the whole treatment. And this is one of my favorite parts of the treatment. The treatment finishes with Amber Section Modeling Mask. It's a 4th generation modeling mask with 58% of vitamin oil gel to rejuvenate skin and give you that glow. It has vitamin C, glutathione, panthenol to effectively brighten and nurture and repair your skin. It creates a cooling occlusive layer that locks in every active ingredient, so your skin absorbs every bit of the nourishment. And also, all the steps and products that you applied before absorbs much deeper into your skin. Next, customized ampoules are layered based on your skin specific needs, whether it's hydration, brightening, or regeneration. And everything is sealed in with a regenerating cream infused with PDRN to support skin repair and strengthen the skin and leave your skin feeling nourished and resilient. And of course, we're gonna finish off the treatment with a gentle mineral sunscreen to protect the skin and maintain all the results from the treatment. This isn't just another facial, it's a fully customized glow treatment that's effective and result driven. Make sure to book now in link in bio EuniUnni's Glow EXO Repair Treatment, which is now available at Comme Aesthetic Spa in Sinsa. Also, gentle reminder that if you want to get your hands on more of Amber Section Modeling Mask, you can purchase it after the treatment at a special price.